What is the best strategy to use to pass an FTMO challenge? Stay tuned. Hello traders, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope you've had a great day, and hopefully you've had a good week. And if you've not had a good week, yes, sometimes that's how trading is, but I just urge you to be confident and stay alert for the better, and hopefully you'll have a good week to come. So traders, my biggest goal in shooting these videos is to make sure that at least I do my best, and that is my satisfaction, is to make sure that at least I add a stone, or what we would call, at least I participate into creating great traders, and my happiness comes from that. I don't care anything else. In fact, all I need from you guys is just to subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you like the video, and at least, and if possible, you can leave a comment about the video, how it was, what you think about it. So you're free to do all that. So traders, I am going to make sure that in fact I promise you value for your time in this video, and I'll make sure that you know exactly what a good strategy that you would really use to pass any challenge. So traders, to start with this, is that any strategy, by the way, that has a profitable that is profitable over time, that has a good expectancy in the market, that is a positive expectancy with an edge of profitability over time, is a good strategy. So I'll not really clearly just say that you see, my strategy is the best, you see the other guy's strategy is not okay. Personally, I am a price action trader, and I am a momentum price action trader, but there are traders who use indicators, and I don't use indicators, but they're also profitable. So much to put it is that it is not only about the strategy, but a lot of pieces put together. But in this video, I'm going to talk about the strategy that I use to the T to pass any FTMO challenge. And again, I say, it doesn't mean I don't take losses. Of course, I take losses, because I mean, my win rate is not 100%. My win rate is about 50-60%. Okay, on a good month, fine, it may reach about 70%, but on a bad month, it might even go up to around 45. Around 45. I think I last took around 45 at about around in the month of November. Around November last year, I had a win rate of around 45 years. So one of the reasons traders get it challenging and very hard to pass an FTMO challenge is because a trader just learns, is an amateur, is a completely newbie, learns how to trade on a demo, and immediately jumps. After trading for about 2 days, he's already trading now on a not only a live account, but is now trading way straight to an FTMO challenge. There is a risk that you're running, and this risk is losing that money. So what I mean is, it may sound to be little money, but you keep on, as you keep adding, buying new challenges, you're losing money. So it's usually good to go for these challenges when you're already prepared, you have tested your strategy, and you know it works in real market. Not only back testing, but also you forward test it, and you know it works well. So please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and smash the like button if you like this video. So traders, my strategy is so much, but before I go to the strategy, guys, let me tell you this. Let me just put this clear. You see, FTMO has two challenges. Two packages it offers. One of the packages it offers is called an FTMO, and then the other is called FTMO swing. Now, these are different traders. You have to know which kind of trader you are. So If you are an FTMO, if you're a day trader, then I would advise you to go for FTMO. If you're a day trader or intraday or scalper, okay. But if you're a swing trader, then you go for this. Okay, so you have to understand what time frames suit you. Now, like I was saying, if you're personally, I've been trading with the FTMO, the last challenge that I had passed. But again, after that time, I've just been on my personal account and I've not been in any challenge. But I'm preparing to go to the next challenge. Please, by the way, if you want to see me run out a challenge or attempting a challenge, please check in my description below. You will see my Telegram chat group, and then you please just join the Telegram chat group. It will help you. So going forward, this I was trying to say that in my strategy that I use is I'll give you some examples about it. One of them is let's look at this Euro card. Okay, let's look at Euro card. You see, like I was saying in the previous ones, that Euro card has currently following this structure. You can see it was in an uptrend. Sorry about that. It was on an uptrend. And how do you know that? You know it from seeing the market breaking structures. See there, did you see the market breaking these structures here? This was a high that the market broke. Okay, this was another high that the market smashed, and this was another high again. So these are different key levels where the market has been breaking. So from there, let me show you something here. This was a key level that was broken. This was a key level that the market again broke. This was another key level that the market broke here. This was another key level that the market broke. This is what I use to identify, or that I call structure, and I use it to identify to show me that the market is trending to one direction. So considering that, after seeing that, and I'm doing this on the 3 hour, by the way, time frame. Personally, I trade the 3 hour, and the 15 minutes. So like I said, I'm a momentum-based trader. After I've seen this strong momentum candle, such a strong momentum candle, I will look to enter in the next candle, at least in the next 2 candles, one of the next 2 candles. So I will isolate that area, okay, for a buy. From that area to the next 2 candles, that candle, and then this candle, okay. So up to the end of that candle, all that time I'm looking to take buys. So what do I do? I now scale down to the 15 minutes, and when I scale down to the 15-minute time frame, this is the area. This is the area. This is the area that we had marked out. And now in this area, what am I looking at? I'm looking at this area here. This area here. Sorry about that. To take buys. And that's in this case then, since I'm looking at this area to take buys, I will now come in and again look for momentum. Okay, I would have taken this trade after this candle close. This candle, did you see it broke the highs of this small high. If you go to lower time frames, you'll see that this was a high created. So this kind of broke and closed above that high. When broke and closed above that high, I could have taken it from that area. I would take it, and remember, I use stop orders, pending stop orders. I don't use market entries. I just use stop orders with a stop loss placed just below that low. Which low? Let me show you. This low over here, this low here. So a pending order here and a stop just below that low. And of course, I target 122.5. Why? Because I've come to realize it. I've backtested a number of times. Please, you can as well go and do your research, and you see what risk reward is comfortable with you. Okay. Granted, this trade could have taken us some time, but at the end of it all, we could have take profit. So traders, that is how I trade, and you can continue this looking for more momentum on the 3-hour time frames. Keep looking for momentum. The 3-hour, you can do it again. You can go, you can check, and you see. Okay, this is just an example I'm using, but that's how I trade. You can do the same thing. You can come here after this candle close, this candle here. I look for strong momentum. After I've seen this candle close, I could be entering then on this candle. Okay, this candle. So let's isolate that candle again, and you see what again I am saying. And again, this is the area between these two green lines. This is the area again that I would take. Again, I would enter this market. Within this area, I look at the last red candles that were going down. Okay, this is my area that I would isolate as my area of value on the smaller time frame. So I would go ahead and place my entry order again here, entering this trade with momentum. Entry order, you see, market pushed up, came back down, and then left a weak rejection here. So what some people call a pin bar. Strong confirmation momentum candle, and I'll take this trade from this area with a stop order again. And you see, I will not win all trades, and I will not lose all trades, but I'll take a lot of break-even trades, but my win rate will be okay. So you see, this trade did not hit a 1 to 2.5, which is one of the reasons I always say that trading, there is no guarantee to everything. But you see, the first trade hit our 2.5, and the second trade did not hit a 2.5. But for those guys who take smaller risk reward ratios, especially after this long run, sometimes after a very long period, market pushing to one direction, it's usually good to take a smaller risk reward. But I don't do that. Okay, so if it were my strategy, of course, this I would have taken a break-even trade. But of course, we would end up with the first trade. I would end up winning the first trade. All right, so I'll take one win and one break-even. So guys, I just urge you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like it, and please leave a comment. And if you want to catch me in the next video, where I'll be explaining how I'll be comparing for you the differences between a FTMO challenge and a small personal account challenge, seeing which one is better, weighing the differences between the two. Don't miss to catch it. And how will you do that? Is by subscribing to make sure that you can catch it immediately the time it is posted. So thank you and have a great day.